This guy is what you want for your cover crop. It's amazing. It's a legume, so it's going to fix your nitrogen, help your soil, break up clay, keep your weeds down. Like, this guy is amazing. They actually use it in commercial orchards to keep the weeds down and keep the fruit trees happy. And this is my trial spot. So I've actually been doing cuttings from him as well and trying him in different spots. Because the awesome thing with this guy is that, I don't know if you can see that or not, but he will grab hold of the soil and make roots wherever he touches the ground. And so you can cut this. I like to take quite big cuttings because, as you can see, I've got a really big carpet, but you could take a cutting right there, either put him in some water for a while or pot him up, or even just put him straight in the garden. Seriously guys, if you want a cover crop and you're struggling with weeds, or you've got heavy soil, sandy soil, get this guy growing in between your plants. And he's just amazing. I love him. So that's it for the garden tour. So I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and leave me a comment below. Thanks so much. Bye guys.